2011 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 43 DFT for sale in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma 74011. Spread your wings and fly with this 2011 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 43 DFT. This Class A motorhome is 44.25 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong powered Cummins I6 Diesel Pusher engine mated with a 6-speed Allison transmission that offers an impressive 425 horsepower. This RV has 3 slide-outs, 1 large awning and 1 small electric awning over doorway. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, automatic leveling system, GPS and backup/side cameras. With only 57,000 miles, you can rest assured that this Holiday Rambler will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2011 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 43 DFT is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with a 3-burner cooktop, oven and microwave/convection oven, residential refrigerator/freezer double kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingThree televisions inside, 1 OutsideTwo DVD players, 1 Blu-ray player, surround sound when using Blu-ray player and living room in motion, satellite receiver, leather couch with queen-size air mattress, ceiling, FanDual sinks and master bath, ShowerElectronic, StoolGuest, BathroomOutside, ShowerStacked, washer/DryerKing size sleep number bed, air. Each side is run separately, full-size storage closet/DresserAir Suspension, rides on 10 Air BagsThree 15,000 BTUs, a cheap PumpsTwo propane FurnaceSpower lift to lift someone unable to walk up the steps, and so much more. This 2011 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 43 DFT is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Holiday Rambler is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2011 Holiday Rambler Endeavor 43 DFT.